This is Not Quite Normal, a comedy drama series for listeners, not quite written by Graham Lynch, as described on the website www.notquitenormal, all one word, .net.
Oh, my darlings Ludwig and Veronica. Yes, it is I once more, and even though I'm so busy, I miss you every minute in every day. Even though I exhausted, I doing really good job at council, and other directors have noticed and want to talk with me. Director of planning buy me lunch again on Monday. He say he like to give me personal coaching in British culture, just the two of us. On way back to office, he show me how to steer Aston Martin on left side of road. I think I drive too fast, but he say not to worry. He has arrangement with the chief constable. He is so thoughtful. On Tuesday, I go to traditional cricket match with Seth allotment holder chef and also nice singer. Oh, they both nice men, although not beautiful. Cricket, very strange game. Everyone wear white clothes, drink tea inside, wait for rain, come outside, go back inside for more tea, wait for darkness, come out, go back in, and then go home. And crowd always cheerful and clapping despite not being very drunk. I think I'm missing something. Nye tell me he want to be elected as honest council politician next year because some council directors take bribes. I am shocked. I not know which director's not honest, but he make me promise not to ask director of planning. Nye is good man, but has strange allergy, so I promise to help him and take him to see brother at Orthodox Oracle on Thursday. Well, what a success! He say he now cured, although he still behaved strangely. I think perhaps it is normal for British people to behave strangely. Yesterday, I walked to shopping mall for lunchtime sandwich and I count 11 young women all wearing a luminous polyester outfit with smart plastic sandals and all have tattoo which say Kevin on their skin above falling down trousers, but below top which not quite cover fat stomach. I learn a lot about fashion trends from British women. And I think Kevin must be popular man. Next week is busy week. Tomorrow I will see allotment holders at lunch in Fork and Turnip. Maybe somehow they will invent a way to improve soil. I have second Morris dancing lesson with Mr. Westfield on Monday. Maybe he will stop being depressed. On Thursday, I go to see brother again, if he not already sacked by Bishop. And on Friday, I will give your PhD papers to Mr. Sweet. Maybe they prove he has good picture. I hope so. Oh, phew. What a lot of problems. If they all solved, I will organize a party. It's amazing. I here for only 3 weeks. But it feel like 3 years already. And I think maybe British way of life is not quite normal. I write again next week. Mwah.